Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. The first question is, nighttime tropospheric chemistry is dominated by which of the following radicals? The answer is nitrate, because in daytime hydroxide radical dominated the atmospheric chemistry. In nighttime nitrate dominated because in daytime photodissociation degraded the nitrate into nitrogen dioxide and oxygen atom. Let's move on to the second question. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and other labeled as reason. Let's read the assertion. Chlorine, which is widely used as an effective and relatively inexpensive disinfectant in water, generates toxic organochlorine compounds in water. The reason for that is hypochlorous acid reacts rapidly with humic acid and hydroxybenzene. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer would be both A and R, because R is the correct explanation of A. As you know, when chlorine gets into water, it gets converted into hypochlorite ion and hypochlorous acid. If at all organic is present in the water, hypochlorous acid reacts with organic. When you talk about organics, it may be present in the form of humic acid or humin or fulvic acid. If organic acid is present, it will react with hypochlorous acid, and by that organochlorine compounds are formed. So water became toxic. So the answer is A. Let's move into question number 3. In the context of argentometric titration of chloride in a water sample, identify the incorrect statement. You know chloride estimation. For chloride estimation, you take 100 ml sample, then you titrate that against silver nitrate, 0.141 strength of silver nitrate. So as soon as you give silver nitrate in presence of potassium chromate, as long as chloride is there, you will get the color yellow. The moment chloride become 0, you will get lemon yellow endpoint. So all the first options like option A, B and C are correct. For chloride estimation, the pH of the water sample has to be greater than 7. So option number D is the wrong one. Let's move on to question number 4. The reaction of hydroxide radicals with which of the following species generate hydrogen atom? If hydroxide ion radical reacts with carbon monoxide, it will form carbon dioxide and hydrogen atom. So the answer is carbon monoxide. Okay, let's move into question number 5. Which of the following statement is true for an ideal dilute solution? The answer is solute obeys Henry's law and solvent obeys Raoult's law. Let's discuss Raoult's law. What Raoult's law says? It states that vapor pressure of the solution is equals to mole fraction of the solvent into vapor pressure of the pure solvent. So Raoult's law deals with solvent and Henry's law will be dealing with solutes, because Henry's law is this one. Partial pressure of the gas is equals to Henry constant into mole fraction of the gas. So Henry law deals with solute. So our option is solute obeys Henry's law and solvent obeys Raoult's law. Let's discuss question number 6. The result of removal of primary producer and subsequent reduction in population size leading to change in community attributes is referred to as, the answer is bottom-up cascade. You know, due to any factor, if at all primary producer get reduced, like maybe due to lack of nutrients or due to lack of proper solar energy, if primary producer get reduced, it will affect the secondary consumer population and subsequently the tertiary consumer population. This total phenomenon, that is removal of primary producer from an ecosystem, refers to bottom-up cascade, and top-down cascade refers to consumption of secondary consumers by predators. If predator consume a lot of secondary consumers, it will also change the community structure. So that phenomenon refers to top-down cascade. But in this case, since primary producers are getting reduced, so the answer is bottom-up cascade. Let's move into question number 7. The sum of internal energy and product of pressure and volume is known as, very simple, enthalpy. As per the first law of thermodynamics, when you give heat to a system, some of the heat will be converted into work and some will be stored as internal energy. So the answer is enthalpy. Then question number 8. In a cloud-free weather, there is an atmospheric window which is transparent to terrestrial radiation in the wavelength band. The answer is 7000 nanometer to 13,500 nanometer. This particular range refers to a near infrared to microwave radio wave range. Then question number 9. If environmental lapse rate is greater than adiabatic lapse rate, which of the following type of plume emitted from a stack of a thermal power plant? So when environmental lapse rate is greater than adiabatic lapse rate, the air pressure is having more heat. So when it is more heated, it will rise up. Once the air pressure rise up, it will take the form of a loop. So the answer is looping. Then question number 10. The vapor pressure of bromobenzene above its ideal dilute aqueous solution of molality 0.1 mole per kg is 24 kilopascal. Calculate the Henry's law constant of bromobenzene. I have written here the formula. You just substitute the values. What you will get? You will get the answer as 240. Okay. Just put 24 in place of P gas and 0.1 in place of X. So you will get 240. Then next question. In the spectrophotometric study, if a sample has transmittance of 50%, then its observance is, as you know, observance is related to transmittant by the formula observance equals to log of 1 by transmittant. Just substitute 50% in place of T, you will get log 2 and log 2 is 0.3. Then for all of you viewers, we have one question. Which state in India is pioneer in making rainwater harvesting as a compulsory measure in towns to avoid groundwater depletion? So please answer this question in the comment section. We will discuss this question in the next class. So if you have enjoyed our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Please don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about the future videos. So I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you very much.